Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to be playing my game that I really like. I forget the name of it. It's like a cooking airplane game. Let's collect all of our prizes. Mark rewards. So I really want to try to open up Moscow because I have a feeling that they're going to close it and not let us play it. What's happening. I've played other games where there was issues with things that were happening in the world at the time, and they deleted stuff off the game. So I really want to hopefully unlock this Moscow. I still need about what, 680? 60? I need some more stars, so we're going to be grinding for stars today. I'll play. I really don't like playing Sydney, but let's do Sydney. Airplane Chefs, that's what it's called. So I'm on level 35 out of 50, so let's get in on the game. We want to go ahead and get everything going, fill up all our jars, open up our macadamia nuts. Lay out some trays. Oh, we already have people wanting things. Blanket. What else do you want? We're gonna need to get that ready for this. Oh no! What did I do? We're gonna need them. They won't take it without their pie. Now here we go with the pie. Steak, some pie. She wants some fish, steak and pie, blankie. Get this going and see what the people in the back want. All the way back here. Did I forget people? No. And
Delicious.
This pie is popular.
Hey.
And the green drink, that's a unique drink. Not always, I just have a difficult time serving them. No, I really don't. We lost that one, so I don't know if I'm going to advance. Very particular in what it likes. Okay, no one over here, we're all good.
Hello.
Another steak. Just a steak. No! See, I accidentally always click things and get my stuff. We have our vegetables are done. Come back around. What else we've done? Oh, I'm gonna burn some stuff accidentally because I don't have enough time to get to it.
Thank you. Oh.
Let's see. No one wants any fish. Constantly no fish. Of course my fish is going to burn. I'm going to get a deduction for that. And what do you want? I can't look fast enough.
Thank you.
Trash all that. And the fish is burnt. Got a -3 on that. We're burning the fish. Throw that away. Some more trash to collect from our passengers. Throw it. Oh wow! Finally, our fish people, but not gonna get that.
Oh.
Throw some more fish. I guess people in the back are the fish eaters. We're gonna use up all. Oh no! I gotta throw that away.
Over here.
Fish, macadamia, and some of this. Some more fish, and things are burning. And I'm just gonna go with it. There's a fire. Everything's burnt. And of course. Oh no! I needed that. Go to the back. Fish. Cake. fish. Take it. Take it, child. Take it.
Thank you.
No. There we go. We need some more trays. That'll happen from time to time with me.
Passengers, we will be
I won't be able to get everything. I always have to use up my trash cans because they can't hold that much. And then it'll just, the game will be over. It'll say, we are now landing. Go back, let me collect these two. And it didn't make much of a difference. Let's see what we got. Level 33 completed. We're up to 322 stars. And let's upgrade some stuff. See if we can do anything. No. Yeah, we upgraded our picture. Okay, thanks for joining me. See you next time.